Check the mic, 1, 2, is this thing on? Back in the booth where I belong. Been a minute since you heard the sound, but the king is back in town. Ain't no fooling around. They thought I was gone, faded to black, but I'm the illest on the track. Ain't no turning.
Hey guys, I was planning to make a hit song just like Eminem's The Real Slim Shady without having to upload the original song to Suno.ai, and I was blown away with what I produced during the process. So in my mind, I had an inspiration to create a song similar to Eminem's The Real Slim Shady, so I used the powers of Suno.ai Farm. Let's dive into Suno.ai Farm, where creating music is simplified and powerfully enhanced by AI. This platform is designed to bridge the gap between a simple text prompt and a professional sounding track, offering prompt engineering, structure control, and metadata readiness. To begin, click Start Creating to access the new project interface. Here, you can configure your sound. For performance, I'll select Radio for a tightly mixed, compressed sound, and opt for the V5 extended model for broader style capabilities. I prefer highly detailed prompts for professional production and human-written lyrics for natural, authentic emotion. Now let's title our track, Guess Who's Back? For song structure, I'll pick hip-hop/rap, and then select rap as the primary genre. The platform offers a wide array of genres to choose from, including popular combos. This is where it gets exciting. I have full control over my own creativity here, so I will add a creative direction here. Let's write The Real Slim Shady as a reference song for deep analysis. Suno.ai Farm meticulously analyzes the song's riffs, shape, and structure, identifying instruments, vocal patterns, and understanding the overall vibe, creating a musical blueprint. With the analysis complete, I'll use the generated structure and provide a creative brief. I want my song to start with Guess Who's Back in a very DJ-type glitches. I want it to sound like robotic in start, but then it should become a full song. I want to keep the rapper's voice, just like Eminem. With all parameters set, I'll hit Generate Song Assets. The platform begins its work, generating artwork prompts, optimizing the style, creating YouTube metadata, and analyzing the song structure. In just moments, the song is generated. The generated page reveals a detailed style prompt which used my creative direction, reference song details, and vibe and mood of the song I want to produce. The full lyrics are also here, neatly structured with an intro, verses, chorus, and outro. Without further ado, I'll copy the lyrics and navigate to Suno.ai to paste them, along with the detailed style prompt generated by Suno.ai Farm. I'll also add the song title, Guess Who's Back. After clicking Create, Suno.ai quickly generates 2 versions of the track based on our detailed input. Let's listen to the first one.
Check the mic, 1, 2, is this thing on? Back in the booth where I belong. Been a minute since you heard the sound, but the king is back in town. Ain't no fooling around. They thought I was gone, faded to black, but I'm the illest on the track. Ain't no turning back. Got the mic in my hand, the beat in my soul, taking back control, making you lose control. From the underground where the realness reside, nowhere to hide, nowhere to confide. Got the flow so sick, it's a pandemic, making a comeback. Feel the seismic shockwave hitting. Ain't no debate, this ain't fate, this is my estate. Guess who's back? Back again. Slim's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back?
Now, let's hear
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Check the mic 1, 2. Is this thing on? Back in the booth where I belong. Been a minute since you heard the sound, but the king is back in town. Ain't no fooling around. They thought I was gone, faded to black, but I'm the illest on the track. Ain't no turning back. Got the mic in my hand, a beat in my soul, taking back control, making you lose control from the underground where the realness reside. Nowhere to hide, nowhere to confide. Got the flow so sick, it's a pandemic, making a comeback. Feel the seismic shockwave hitting, ain't no debate. This ain't fake, this is my estate. Guess who's back, back again? Slim's back, tell a friend. Guess who's back, guess who's back? Guess who's back, back again? Slim's back, tell a friend. Guess who's back, guess who's back? Used to be a young buck, wild and untamed. Now I'm a legend, forever famed. They tried to shut me down, censor my name, but my words ignite a burning flame. Got the whole world watching, waiting for the fall. But I stand up tall, answering the call of the fans who love the real, the raw, the true, not the fake persona they try to push on you. So I'm back with a vengeance, a lyric to attack. Leave you breathless, ain't no looking back. This ain't just music, it's a state of mind. Even though the weak pine, one of a kind. One of a kind. Guess who's back, back again? Slim's back, tell a friend. Guess who's back, guess. Peace out. Guess who's back, guess who's back? Yeah. Guess who's back? Uh-huh. You know the name, Slim Shady. Peace out.
Both versions are fantastic, but I was amazed by the first one, demonstrating the power of precise prompt engineering. Back on Suno.ai farm, all generated assets are saved. I can easily download a full HTML export of my song's settings, lyrics, visual prompts for cinematic and album art, YouTube titles, descriptions, and tags. Everything needed for a complete release. I can also instantly update the song title, for example, to Guess Who's Back, Back Again, and save it directly within the library, making organization a breeze. Suno.ai Farm provides an unparalleled workflow for AI music creators, truly stepping forward in music production.